Hey G Squad, welcome back to an episode of Is It Worth It? So today's episode is this cool right here, and basically what these are some waterproof heated gloves. They're definitely used regularly or casually, or if you guys want to use this for like snowboarding or skiing, you definitely can as well. But you can see when we first get the product, this is basically what it actually looks like. So it comes with this nice little bag right here. So I'm actually open this up to show you guys what's included inside first. Alright, so when we take it out, you guys can see this is basically what the product looks like. So it definitely has a very nice black and yellow design right here. But let's take it out first. Alright, so when you guys first take it out, this is basically what the product looks like. So basically provide you guys a pair of these if you can see. So this is basically what the product looks like on this side right here. If we flip it to this side right here, this is what it actually looks like on this side. And the way how they designed this part right here and this part right here, these two fingers right here, you guys can actually use it on like iPad, tablets, smartphone or whatever. And then right here, if you can see, they have a strap option to make it tighter if you guys want to. And then this part right here is basically where you can put in the battery compartments. This is a heated glove. And right here, you can see we have the switch option that is waterproof, so you don't have to worry about water getting in or anything, which is pretty nice. And also for both of the gloves, they do give you guys a strap option right here as well, so that way I can make it tighter if you guys need to. So not only are these gloves waterproof, but they are also breathable and they're also windproof as well. I'm not sure if I can see the inside or not, but when you guys feel the material inside, it definitely feels like a very nice kind of fur material inside that feels really nice and really comfortable and also really soft as well. And then in terms of the heating option on here, there's actually 3 different settings on here. So there's a low, there's a medium, and there's a high setting on here. So depending on how hot you guys want it, you can definitely adjust that on here as well. And we see right here, they mention how the glove has insulation as well. So that is basically everything that's on the product right here. Let me actually cut off all these different parts right here and then test it out to show you guys what it actually looks like first. Alright, so we take everything out. You guys can see that this is basically what the glove looks like. So this is basically actually looks like on this side. If we flip it on the other side, this is what it looks like on this side. So the first thing we want to do is to take out the battery that's inside here first. But you see right here, they provide you guys instruction manual to teach you guys how to install the product and how to use it. But I'm actually open up this bag right here first. Alright, so here is the charging cable that's going to use to recharge the batteries. And right here are the batteries you're going to plug in to use it. So you basically want to plug this part inside right here like this. And you guys want to put both of the batteries inside your glove. Push it in all the way. Alright, so once you guys have your battery in, you guys want to close it back up. And now you guys have the battery inside right here. And you basically want to do the same thing for other one as well. So I'm actually do that as well and then show you guys how it works. Alright, so we got the battery in for both of them. Let me actually try this on to show you guys what it actually looks like first. So you basically want to slide it in all the way. If you guys want to make this part tighter, or if you guys want to make this part tighter, you definitely can. So just like that, you can see. And then same thing for other one as well. If you guys want to make this part tighter, feel free to do that. And then same thing for this part as well. Alright, so once you guys got it in, this is basically what the actual glove looks like. Definitely feels really nice and actually feels really soft as well. It actually feels really warm once we actually put it on as well. But let's test out the touchscreen option right here to see when that works first. Alright, so I got my phone set right here. Let's test it out. Alright, so you see the finger option definitely does work if you guys want to use it with the glove on. Same thing applies to this finger as well. You guys want to make sure you guys use that part right here. Alright. So you definitely see that works as well. So definitely for both of these fingers right here and for these as well, you can definitely use your smartphone even with the glove on. But it's not going to be super easy to use it, but you definitely have the option available if you guys want to. But even right now when you actually put it on the glove, it actually feels really warm. It actually feels really soft as well with the fur material inside. But let's turn on the heated option right here to see how it works. So I basically want to press it one time. And then see once we press the button right there, the light pops on this side. And this side is off. But if I press it one time, that turns on as well. And once we turn on the heated option right here, I definitely noticed that it actually starts heating up really fast. Like throughout my hand right here, I can definitely feel it getting hot already. And also the way how they designed this part right here and this part as well, they actually give you guys a good grip. So if you guys want to grip your phone, or if you guys want to grip something else like your snowboard, you can definitely do that on here. But definitely when we turn on the heated option right here, it's getting hot already. So I want to turn it down a little bit. Alright, so that's speed level 2. And that's speed level 1. And if you guys want to do the same thing for other side as well, you can press that button right here. So that's heat temperature level 2. And that's level 1. And if you guys want to turn it off, you want to press it again. And that turns it off. And obviously if you guys want to turn it back on, you want to press it again. Same thing for this one as well. So that is basically everything that's on the product in terms of how to use it. Let me actually go plug in the cable to show you guys how to charge the battery first. And then we'll come back and talk more about the product in a second. Alright, so we got the battery right here. Let me show you guys how to charge it. So you basically want to insert this part right here like this. And you guys have another option right here to actually charge at the same time you guys want to. So you can definitely charge both of them. So we take this one out as well. I can definitely plug this one as well. So that way you can charge both of them at the same time. And basically the way how you guys know when the product is charging or when it's fully charged is by looking at the other end of the cable. So you see right here, this is basically the other end of the cable. If you can see, it's red. So basically when it's fully charged, that light should change to green instead of red. And that is how you guys know when it's fully charged. Alright, welcome back guys. So now let's do a quick test of the product and definitely see that she does work and she works quite well. Super easy to use the product. If you can see the way how to design this product is pretty awesome. So not only are you guys getting that comfort and protection, we definitely have like the water resistant option on here, the heat option, the windproof option, and also the breathable option here as well. So whether you guys want to use this in the snow, if you guys want to use it for skiing, basically however you guys want to use it, that is up to you guys. But definitely using this product will keep you guys warm. But that is basically everything that's on the product. Now to go unboxing and testing the product, now to answer the question of whether or not it's actually worth it or not. So for this heated glove, I would definitely have to say that it is pretty worth it if you guys want one or need one of these. Especially if you guys are looking for some high quality heated glove that's used for like snowboarding, skiing, or basically any kind of like snow sports. Then definitely getting one of these are pretty nice to give you guys all the benefits that I showed you guys earlier. But then obviously for those of you guys who don't want or don't need one or have one of these, then obviously don't buy one and save your money for something else you actually do need. So that's basically everything for this video itself. If you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button in the bottom. That will definitely help this video out and it will definitely help with the algorithm as well to promote more videos for you guys so you guys can see more of the videos or similar videos as well. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.